Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel DIY craft videos. In this video you will see 40 plus DIY wine bottles craft ideas. Wine bottle crafts are a fun way to upcycle a perfectly functional glass container we would otherwise throw away. Some of these upcycled wine bottles can completely change their shape depending on your level of comfort with cutting glass and using flame. Like any craft that involves glass, care should be taken. If you don't want to risk injury or don't own a kennel, stick to the more simple ideas that will teach you how to paint a wine bottle in a variety of ways, or how you can use wine bottles for home decorations. Some of these wine bottles projects can be given for a gift, or some are nice enough where you could sell them for a profit. Here are many ways to transform the wine bottles into sea glass, or into a hanging light, or ombre effect. Flatten a wine bottle to make a platter. Write message on a bottle. Layer colored marbles inside a wine bottle tiki torch. Hand paint intricate details to make a boho centerpieces. And a topper to turn a wine bottle into a soap dispenser. And much more ideas are here for you. And I really hope that you will enjoy my video. So don't go anywhere guys, stay with me and keep watching my videos. If you have any request, or if you want to ask me any question about these ideas, then you can comment me in comment section. I will reply on your comment and fulfill your request as soon as possible. Epic empty wine bottle projects and much more ideas are here for you. Wine bottles come in all different shapes, sizes and hues, and those diverse qualities make them such versatile objects when it comes to upcycling or repurposing. I was rather taken aback when I came to realize just how many interesting and creative ways one can use these empty bottles, be it for something functional or pure decor. So guys, keep watching my videos, don't go anywhere, stay with me and keep supporting me. You can decorate wine bottles for holiday themes, lovely lace, stencils, frosted ombre, ribbon wrapping, decoupage, each away, wrapped in twine, and much more ideas are here for you. So stay with me and watch my full video. So guys, don't go anywhere, stay with me and keep watching my videos. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and do not forget to share my videos with others. Keep supporting me, keep sharing my videos. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.